how to help my 2-year-old with cerebral palsy. It's great you're cruising, but there's a lot of things that go into it, but you have to take it step by step. First of all, vision, okay? Vision has to be able to cross midline. One of the reasons with cerebral palsy, it's very difficult to cross your midlines, especially with that side step out, is because of the vision. And this is where I try and get more information from you guys. I know you don't want to show the child's face, this, that, and the other, but you have to look at the whole picture, right? It's not about we don't walk on our feet. Our feet are a part of the picture, but we really walk because we have a pendulum. Our foot can pendulum back and can go forward. But we don't, if you don't believe me, guys, try it. Take a step and now push off the floor. Push off the floor with your foot. Try and get up and now take another step. It's just not how we work. We kind of float, right? So the first thing you're looking at is the vision. So is his vision being able to, first of all, are we getting a peripheral midline, right? Right here. And are we getting convergence? I think you have a difficulty with convergence and you're having difficulty with the peripheral fields. I don't like the vision report. It's not conclusive. It didn't do the sphere, the cylinder, and the axis, so you just don't know the full picture. 1.5, you're flirting with glasses, but I don't know the axis, and again, I can't see the child's eye alignments. Second of all, right? They have to be able to get in and out of standing. Make sure you're working on those skills from maybe just from your knee on down and up. Work on that pre-standing, pre-walking course. And then again, what you're working on is the whole picture. Do the eyes and that step out all synchronize. Remember, stamina's not more muscle. It's not more power. Stamina is ease of movement. And when everything's synchronized, then you get those kind of movements, right? But it's hand down, reach over, hand down, that's the crossing midline, not out here. And those are the skills that you need to work on to continue that. But when I go to take my first step, this is cruising I'm helping you with, that first step, I have to be able to converge and look far. If I can't, the step is not going to happen, or the walking isn't. And this is where vision has a lot to do with all those kind of skills for when you're in vertical and you're moving. Thanks.